Dear business partner, how are you? I am Ratan Muni Das from Bangladesh. Hope you are well. You are watching my small YouTube channel, Clothes Supply by BD Ratan. You will get daily updates on different type of ready-made garments products for sale from my small channel. Those of you who live outside of Bangladesh can easily purchase the products you need through my channel. I have lot of source of factories and factory godowns. Anyway, dear friends, today I am here with four ready-made garments products. I will explain ICE products one by one. The products are 1. Men's hoodie 5,900 pieces. 2. Men's joggers 5,000 pieces. 3. Boys kurti 4,000 pieces. 4. Girls school shirt 7,000 pieces. I am telling you the details of the products so that you will one by one, but already given the details and picture in my video thumbnail. You can also see my video thumbnail. Anyway, dear friends, please subscribe to my channel, keep the notification on so that you can easily watch my video every day. I am telling you first ready-made garments product men's jacket or hoodie. This is original products. Brands Tommy Hilfiger. Total quantity 5,900 pieces. Style 2 high neck and hoodie style. High neck quantity 2,258 pieces. Hoodie style 3,653 pieces. Here you can see packing list. This is super intake goods. For more information and pricing, knock at my WhatsApp. Number 2, men's joggers. This is fresh order goods. Total quantity 5,000 pieces. Here is size 30 to 38. I'm telling size 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. Ratio 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Total 10 pieces ratio. Color 6. Fabric 2% spandex. For more information and pricing, knock at my WhatsApp. Number 3. Boys kurti. This is original goods. Total quantity 4,000 pieces. Brand Deepa Dudi. Size 1 years to 4 years. This is only one color. One color has 24 pieces. For more information and pricing, knock at my WhatsApp. Number 4. Girls school shirt. Total quantity 7,000 pieces. Brand BWKIDs. Color 5. Size 2 by 4 years to 12 by 14 years. 100 kisu yellow. For more information and pricing at my WhatsApp.